What's up, everybody?
It's a little chilly today.
You guys know how to tie a carpenter's knot? This thing looks sick. Let's do a quick walk around of how dirty this thing is. Damn. This I keep it for legal reasons. This is trash. This hose, I think I need it. And this was a desperate measures situation. I'll explain to you guys sometime next week why this is the way it is. Okay, let's go ahead and vacuum here. Final side. Fresh.
Did I mention I'm angry? Seething with rage.
Tired of seeing this crap around. Let's pull the seat back. Fresh. Need to mount that thing up there, but we're good for now. Oh, bro, this thing drives me insane. I've looked at it for so long and I become numb to it. Now I don't know if that looks worse or better. Oh, freaking. Some guys don't deserve a Honda, man. Tell me. This is garbage. This part. Disgusting. It's not entirely clean, but at least I don't see any ear swabs there. That shit was nasty. Yeah, for me to clean it, I have to remove the whole, oh crap, this thing. I have to remove this whole thing just like that and just clean it, detail it all the way. But that'll do for now. Garbage, horrible. Had a money shift, had a Benjamin money boo, man. Oh. We are chilling here. Straight chilling. The steering wheel, I still have to orient it the correct way. I'll quickly take it off and correct it. I'll do that tomorrow. So when you guys see me on the cruise, it'll be the correct way already. So spare wheel I had. This is not a drift car. It'd be pretty sick if it was though. So the car is ready to go. Fresh. Clutch master cylinder fluid is good. Brake master cylinder fluid is also good. Engine oil is good. And coolant is also tippity top. It seems late, man. It's only 5. It's crazy, man. It's like 4:30, 4:45, and it's already dark. But anyways, guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Should be fun. We have about 4 or 5 guys going. I'll see you guys tomorrow in the morning, bright and early. Should be a fun day. Peace out. Take care.